Bamboo panels are great, but when left neglected, they can end up looking like this. That's why we developed our Crystal Paints Bamboo Protector Rejuvenator. So I'm going to give you a rundown on how to clean it up and get it looking brand new again. Our first step is giving it a good pressure wash. Now don't use a too high of a PSI, that can lead to peeling of the skin of the bamboo. Then we use our bamboo cleaner. We recommend 3:1 ratio and mixing it down and just spraying it on the bamboo with a spray bottle is usually the easiest way. Let soak in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let the soap do its work, and then you can come back and give it a good clean. Now, good thing about our bamboo cleaner is it's biodegradable and won't hurt your grass or your plants or anything like that, so you can do it around the garden, no problems at all. Let your bamboo dry, and then you're ready to do your first coats. Now, we recommend doing a test patch before each coat just to make sure that it soaks in. With this product, it doesn't sit on top like a paint, it soaks into the bamboo. So the bamboo will only accept as much as it's willing to take. A good way to look at it is a sponge and how much a sponge can absorb of water. Same thing with your bamboo. Eventually it will just start to spill out over the side, and then with this product, it'll just get tacky and then dirt and grime will bind to it. Now this is our new color, the honey gold. We also find that if you are coming back to it and it's still tacky, give it 24 hours to see if it isn't soaked in by that time. So you might ask about when will you have to redo your bamboo? With this product, it really depends on weather conditions. So if it's receiving a lot more rain or sun, depending on where you're located in Australia, it might need more coats more frequently. So it may be that it needs to be done once every 6 months, or it could be once every 3 years. That's why the test patches are very important. You can always try and see if it needs another test patch. Now the color you see me painting out here is the bamboo brown. It's quite popular for the darker shades of bamboo. Now leading into the darkest color that we have, which is the bamboo black, which is a nice dark color for those rich bamboo, for people who are wanting a bit more of a darker look. But you can leave a comment down below and let us know which color you think is the best. With this product, it's really important to keep mixing and stirring as using. Some of the pigments will sink to the bottom and cause discoloration when painting them out. That way you get a nice even coat the whole way through. Alrighty, and this is 3 coats later. Now I got a little bit heavy handed with the black, so I needed to clean it off a little bit. So if you find that it's still tacky, just mineral terps and a rag and wipe your bamboo down. Easy as that. Cleans up and you'll just see that it comes off on the rag. Nice and easy. And that's it. This is what it can look like in 3 different colors once painted with the brown, the honey gold, or black. If you've got any other questions about this product or any of our other products, please don't hesitate to contact the factory directly.